Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add text to speech in Canva videos. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to add text to speech, there's plenty of programs that can do this job, but if you're looking for a free option that works just fine, you'll need to go ahead and add a new tab on your browser and then click onto the search box and type in voicemaker.in. So here we can find a lot of premium voices, but we also can have free options that are good as well. So from here, the first thing that you want to do is insert the text that you want to convert into a voice here in this box. And after that, what you're going to do is click onto change up here so you can select whichever voice you like. And if you click onto the blue play button next to it, you can preview the voice. And once you choose, you can go ahead and click onto the blue tab that says submit right here. And then scroll down a little bit and click onto convert to speech that is located down here. Now go to the play button in the bottom left corner, give it a click to hear your text turn into speech.
Hello, this is just a demo. Please subscribe to my channel.
Once you're satisfied with the result, go to the blue download icon next to it and give it a click so you can download the speech just converted. And once the download is completed, the next thing that you want to do is to come back to canva.com. And now we're gonna create the design we want to add the speech in. So I'm gonna click onto custom size and then select the option that says presentations. Now we're going to upload the video we want to add the speech to by clicking onto the upload section in the left side of the screen and then select video. And now I'm going to choose my video and drag it into my design down here. Now to upload the audio, I'm going to need to click onto the audio section and then the purple upload files button, as you can see here, and I can find my audio in the downloads. I'm going to give it a click and then you're going to need to click onto the open tab down here. Now that the audio got uploaded into Canva, I'm gonna need to bring it into my design by dragging it into here under the video. And now finally you can play the video to see the speech has been successfully added into my video.
Hello, this is just a demo. Please subscribe to my channel.
So that's it. That's how to add text to speech in Canva videos. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.